Welcome back, everyone. We got a big unboxing here to do. I'm super excited for this one. Gotta send a big shout out to our friends at Rayonled for helping us out with this project. They went ahead and sponsored us to get this RDWC grow on the way. Super excited about this one. Super good company. It's a Canadian company. Very high quality products with excellent customer service. Man, one thing about this company, it's North American, it's a Canadian company. You get your products really fast. Any warranty problems or anything like that, it's dealt with pretty fast. Another thing about this company, you could actually go into their office. You could go and sit down with these guys, plan out a light, whatever spectrum and all different types of stuff like that. They could hook you up if you got an LP, micro grower, if you're a home grower on a big scale, small scale, whatever. These guys have something for you, but it's all top quality, high performance products that they put out. So that's a really good thing. Super excited to work with these guys. So with all that said, let's unbox these babies. Let's take a look at them. Wow, this is one big beast of a light here. That's what helped with giving it such a wonderful footprint. This light has a really nice even spread throughout the whole light. The corners I think is around like 800 on the recommended hanging height. You'll get more into that and other specs in future videos. But yeah, this is a high performance light, really efficient. This is on a different level, you know. This is no mid-class, this is high-end for sure. It's made really nice, firm, no type of defects or nothing inside of the bars or nothing like I could see that you see in some other lights. This is using Samsung Osram. It also has UV. That's another special feature about this light, as you can see there and there. Those are two separate two bars that are controlled on separate channels. Really nice. We'll take a look at the driver and go over this light some more, but from what I can see right now, man, the quality, very nice. Easy clip-on spots there for the driver. Let's get this driver on. Wow, guys, man, this light is something. When you talk about efficiency and power, this is what you're talking about. Let's just go over here quickly on the driver. So it dims. So it actually has the wattages you're at. So it starts at 290, then you go to 430, 580, 720. So it has 720 watts on the full spectrum channel, and then you have other 100 watts on this side. But the far red and the UV, it does go in percentages. So you got 80 watts on this side, sorry, and 720. But there is a booster. So if you're using the controller, you could actually crank this light up to 840 watts, I think it is. So we're just on the 240 right here. So you go 290, 430. Let's take a look at it. Jesus Christ, I can't even look, guys. It's crazy. So yeah, the other light is the same exact thing, so we don't need to do a full unboxing and setup of that. But in future videos, I'm going to be doing a power test to this at different heights, because normally the manufacturers, they just give you like 2 heights, but some people, they like to run their light really high and turn up the power to get that extra heat, but while getting the right power. So if you're looking for high quality, commercial grade, high efficiency lights, you definitely have to check out Rayonled LED. These are the people for you. Like, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And you know what to do, guys. GIY. Grow it yourself.